In this instructional video, we're going to change the theme and branding of this cookbook. So go to your creator portal and click on the theme and branding section. So here we can change the name of the cookbook. This is what shows up in that title bar while people are using your cookbook. The icon is the little icon that shows up in the browser tab. The theme has the colors and the shape of your cookbook display. And so what I would suggest is try to find the theme that best fits the sort of like aesthetic that you're going for. And then if you're not able to find exactly what you're looking for, try to find the best fitting theme and then expand this color section here. So this color section will let you change the color of each of your cookbook components. And so if we notice here, this save button in the top has this, this pastel pink color, which is shown here as button and footer. You can click on this and this will bring up a color picker. And so what we can see is as we actually change this color around, that save button in the corner starts to get modified. So perhaps we want to set this to maybe like a pastel blue. We can do so and then click save. And what we'll see is that all of the buttons, for example, if we click on View Live Cookbook, will now be changed to that color. I'll go back to the cookbook, the creator portal, and click on theme and branding again. There is another useful feature here. When you select a color that you'd like to override, there is also this color dropper that you can use. This is usually more useful on a desktop than on a phone, but you can drag this color dropper to actually select the color of a different pixel on your device. And so this can be really helpful when perhaps you have your website open. You can actually use this color dropper to grab the color directly from your website so that you can match the brand up perfectly. So I will defer that for this demo here. And if you choose a color you do not actually like, go ahead and click the reset button and it will put that particular color back. So I'll click save. Now that we've gone back to the default colors for this theme, and then lastly we can also choose the font. So I'll change the font here. We can change this to a serif style font, and below the font picker, this is also useful for the theme and the color picker, we've got a preview of some content. And so here we can see what it looks like with the title, description, and then also ingredients and instructions below. And so we can see here that the servings picker has some slightly rounded corners on it. And what I'd like to point out is that some themes have more rounded corners. So Valentine, for example, has very rounded corners, and then something like, let's see, Cyberpunk here has, as you can even just see with these boxes here, extremely sharp corners. So you can choose the theme to mostly get the colors and the shapes that you're looking for, and then you can customize the colors further on top of that if you need to fit a very specific brand. So we've selected what we want. We'll click save, and then what we'll see is that when we view our cookbook, we have got our new serif font applied. And so that's it for this instructional video.